Hello friends, we are back with NCERT chapter 15 Light part 3 for class 7. We have already done plane mirror and spherical mirrors. In this video we will do lenses. When we are not able to see far off things or nearby things clearly, we visit an eye specialist. The doctor checks our eyesight and if required suggests the use of spectacles. Spectacles consist of two curved glasses known as lenses. You might also have seen a magnifying glass which is used to read very small print. The magnifying glass is also a type of a lens. Lenses are also widely used in telescopes, microscopes, camera lens, etc. A lens can be defined as a transparent medium having one flat and one curved surface or both curved surfaces. Lenses are of two types, convex lenses and concave lenses. Convex lens or converging lens is thick in the middle and thin at the edges. It usually magnifies images. Concave lens or diverging lens is thin in the middle and thicker at the edges. Objects look smaller through concave lenses. Unlike mirrors, where light is reflected off the surface, lenses are transparent with light passing through them and then getting deflected. It means that we can see the image formed by a lens from the side opposite to that of the object. Can you see the object here? The lens is here and on the opposite side there is the image. You might want to know why is a convex lens called a converging lens and a concave lens called a diverging lens. A convex lens converges or bends inwards, the light falling generally on it. See, the light is bending inwards. Therefore, it is called a converging lens. On the other hand, a concave lens diverges or bends outward the light and is called a diverging lens. Now we study image formation in a lens. Take a convex lens or a magnifying glass and put it in the path of the sun rays. Place a sheet of paper below. Adjust the distance between the lens and the paper till you get a bright spot on the paper. Hold the paper and the lens in this position for a few minutes. You will find that the paper begins to burn. Now you understand why it is dangerous to look through a lens at the sun or a bright light. You should not focus sunlight with a convex lens on any part of your body. Since the convex lens is a converging lens, so it will converge the sun rays due to which too much energy will be produced and this energy may cause burns. Similarly, if you focus sunlight using a convex lens at the tip of a matchstick, the matchstick will burn. Now replace the convex lens with a concave lens. This time you will not get a bright spot on the paper. Take a convex lens and fit it on a stand. Place a lighted candle at a distance from the lens. You can see the lighted candle, which is the object. You place it at a distance from the lens. Try to obtain the image of the candle on a paper screen placed on the other side of the lens. You may have to move the screen towards or away from the lens to get a sharp image of the flame. Now vary the distance of the candle from the lens. Try to obtain the image of the candle flame every time on the paper screen by moving it. We can conclude that when the object is placed very close to the convex lens, a virtual image is formed which is upright and magnified. This image cannot be obtained on a screen. This type of image, which is formed on the same side of lens, is used to read small letters of the script using magnifying glass. As the object is moved away from the lens, you can see the candle is away from the lens. The image starts becoming smaller in size and moving closer to the lens. The image is much closer to the lens. The image is also real and inverted. It can be obtained on the screen. When the object is moved far away from the lens, you can see the distance between the candle and the lens has increased. as in case of the sun rays. The image is very close to the lens, it is real and it is inverted. The image formed by a concave lens is smaller in size, upright and virtual, irrespective of the distance of the object and the lens. So it can never be obtained on a screen, it is always virtual. Let us now study the image formation in the human eye. The human eye has an inbuilt convex lens. You can see the convex lens here. When the rays of light fall on the eye lens, it focuses a real and inverted image on the retina, which acts as a screen. The retina is connected to the optic nerves that carry the information to the brain. The brain then interprets the information and forms a real and erect image of the object with the correct size. Sunlight, is it white or colored? You might have seen a rainbow in the sky that appears usually after the rain when the sun is low in the sky. The rainbow is seen as a large arc in the sky. You can see a rainbow only when your back is towards the sun. It consists of 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. The rainbow is formed by the dispersion of white light of the sun through transparent water droplets present in the air. You might have seen that when you blow soap bubbles, they appear colorful. Similarly, when light is reflected from the surface of a compact disc or CD, you may see many colors. On the basis of these experiences, we can say that white light is a mixture of different colors. The band of 7 colors is called spectrum. The colors of the spectrum are denoted by Wibgor. When these colors combine, they appear white. Sir Isaac Newton first observed that a thin beam of light, after passing through a prism, forms a band of 7 colors. You can see the 7 colors. This is called the spectrum. The colors are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Wibgor. We can also prove that white light consists of 7 colors by using a Newton's disk. Let's see how to make a Newton's disk. Take a circular cardboard disc of about 10 centimeters diameter. Divide the disc into 7 segments. Paint the 7 rainbow colors on these segments or paste colored papers on them. Make a small hole in the center of the disc and fix the disc on the tip of a stick. You can see the stick. Ensure that the disc rotates freely. When the disc is rotated very fast, we find that the colors of the disc seem to disappear and the disc seems white. This happens because the effect of the image of the color does not disappear immediately from the eye but persists for a fraction of a second. When the disc rotates, the colors form images one after the other and we see a combined effect of all the colors, which is white in color. Thank you for watching the video. If it has helped you in any way, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.